Ang tao'y dapat sumunod sa pag-preserve ng kalikasan. Ibang klase ng mga natural calamities. Ang Ondoy na siguro ang pinakamalaking baha sa Kamaynilaan at Karatig Pook sa mga lumipas na panahon. Nakita ng buong mundo ang rumaragasa at humahampas na tubig sa Kamaynilaan noong September 26, 2009. Ang kauupo lang na DPWH Secretary Victor A. Domingo at kanyang staff ay kaagad kumilos at gumawa ng flood mitigation plan for Metro Manila and suburban areas para mapaghandaan ang pag-ulit nitong klaseng trahedya na gawa ng Ondoy.
The essence of this flood control problem is how to deal with 4,500 cubic meters per second that come all the way from the Sierra Madre Mountains. And these floodwaters are compounded by the waters coming from Montalban and San Mateo Mountains. So when they reach the Metro Manila, 4,500 cubic meters per second na yan. The solution is this. It's simple. It has two main components. First, an Upper Marikina Dam. That's the first line of defense. We have to trap these waters. So it's a matter of trapping these waters and then storing them in a big reservoir. And then during low tide, we release them, these floodwaters. So the first trapping mechanism is the Upper Marikina Dam. It will be able to hold 100 million cubic meters of floodwaters. And that is equivalent to 4,500 cubic meters per second floodwaters. So in 6 hours, the Upper Marikina Dam will be filled up. So what happens if the floodwaters exceed 6 hours? Then we have second line of defense. It is the Laguna de Bai, where we are going to construct a 4-lane road around the lake. And we divert the excess waters, we trap these excess waters into Laguna de Bai road dikes.
Grabe talaga ang bagyong Ondoy at Pepeng.
Lumubog ang bahay ni na Auntie Pearly. Kawawa naman ang mga pinsan natin.
Pero alam mo ba na marami rin ang hindi nabaha nung bumagyo?
Oh, ibig mong sabihin, kuya, may hindi binaha sa Maynila nung bagyong Ondoy? Parang hindi yata ako maniwala dun ah.
Hindi ko talaga lubos maisip na hindi babaha sa Kamanava dahil kilalang bahain ang lugar ng Caloocan, Malabon, Navotas at Valenzuela.
That's incredible!
Tama yan! May ginawa kasing flood control system ang DPWH upang maiwasan ang pagbaha sa mga lugar na yan.
Nang umupo si Pangulong Arroyo bilang presidente, nakita na niya na ang baha ay isa sa mabilis na puminsala sa sambayanan. Kaya, inatasan niya ang DPWH na gumawa ng mga flood control system.
Dati-rati, ang lugar na ito ay isang tinatawag naming parang dead zone kasi nandyan yung, dahil ang tubig dito ay perennial. Kumbaga, habang buhay na. Napakaitim ng tubig at pusali na talaga, no? So, at wala kang makita dyan kundi puro basura. No, all along Lapu-Lapu Avenue, puro basura makikita mo dyan. Pero nang nagawa natin yung ating spine pumping station, isa sa major component ng proyekto, makikita natin na luminis ang lugar, no? Nagtayuan ngayon yung mga maliliit na mga negosyo.
Dati, hindi magandang umani dahil lumalaki ang tubig, napipigtas ang mga pilapil. Pero nung nagawa itong dike, hindi na kami nilulubog. Hindi kamukha nung dati, nagkakatukan sa bahay. Ito na tubig, taas na ng gamit. Ngayon, wala na.
Dito sa Kamanava, walang baha.
Agong River Flood Control Project consists of the three kinds of the phases. Phase 1 already completed. Phase 2 is ongoing, and Phase 3 is now under requesting to JICA. Phase 1-2 area will be protected 10 years probable flood.
I stayed here for about 35 years and I have experienced it with this government. We have completed a lot of projects in Metro Manila, no? Especially the west of Mangahan, Kamanava, and Iloilo also, and other flood control outside Metro Manila. You know, we have experienced that big floods 2 years ago. So once that will be completed in Iloilo, it will reduce a lot of flood that will be diverted to the river.
We were able to construct these 5 Sabu dams and practically trap this sand coming from the mountains and retrieve about 12,000 hectares of land now already arable. Plantations are being undertaken and construction of 81 kilometers of dikes, including the poblacion area of Lawag.
Epektibong flood control system, handog ng DPWH upang protektahan ang ating mga kababayan laban sa pagraragasa ng tubig baha.